In today's video I'm going to share how you can make money on YouTube. Now this is an awesome method and you can do this without getting in front of a camera yourself. You don't have to show your face and you can do this without recording videos. Now this whole process is incredibly simple to do. Now as always I'm going to walk you through this step by step, and what I love about this method is it can actually be done in less than 10 minutes a day. So keep watching and I'm going to share everything with you and this awesome method to start making money on YouTube. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're going to go over another method to make money on YouTube, which is pretty simple to get started with, and as I've mentioned you can do this from absolutely anywhere in the world. And look, if you're looking for some free resources to make money online, then go in the description box down below and you'll find lots of freebies. There's a YouTube course, affiliate marketing and a few other bits. So first of all, let's jump over onto one channel on YouTube and I'll show you how they're making money, how simple it is, and I'll also share with you a number of resources that if you want to get started with this method yourself, you can get this up and running today. Okay, so I'm now over on YouTube and I was doing a bit of research a couple of days ago for one of my own YouTube channels, and I typed in this up here, this best full body exercises, and you can see there's currently 2,400 people a month searching for this exact search term. And I came across this channel over here and it's called Roberta's Gym. So you come down here and you can see all of these videos. Now what I noticed about this channel here is they're using some form of AI software. So this is not a real person, this has been created using a piece of software. And after a bit more research, the software is absolutely free to go ahead and download and get started with, and I'll show you that in a second. Now in terms of this channel here, so they're creating these videos without being on camera, without talking, without spending a lot of money, definitely not. So how much is this channel here earning? So we're going to go over to Social Blade as a rough, give us some rough estimate on this. So you can see Roberta's Gym, they've uploaded 1,000 videos, they've currently got 3 million subscribers, and the channel was created in 2015. Now I'm in the UK, so these are UK prices, but look at this. On the low end, this channel here is earning £3,200 a month on the low end. On the high end, £50,000 a month. It's ridiculous, isn't it? And then yearly earnings were at coming up to 38, all the way up to $600,000 from uploading videos onto YouTube without being on camera. It's just crazy, isn't it? And you can see these are the daily numbers, subscribers, video views. I mean, they're just getting a hell of a lot of video views every single day. And they're earning, as you can see here, some pretty good money with these videos here, uploading videos. So it's a very simple process. Now, in terms of these videos here, what is the software that they're using? Well, I'll show you two different ways that you can do this. So the first one, if you want to create videos like these on here, you can use a piece of software. And this is the one that they're potentially using over here because it's basically the same sort of stuff, this AI bots on here. So if I come over here, this website here, it's called Blenderorg. And where is it yet? You can see here, look, you can download this for free. And this is open source 3D creation and it's free to use for any purpose forever. So on here, there's lots of information on here, and there's a blog on here, and then there's lots more, look, everything you need to know. So walking you through how to create your videos on here. There's modeling, and there's so much more on here. And if you want step-by-step video guides for this, then you can go onto YouTube and just put in blender.org, review, blender.org walkthrough, blender.org tutorial, etc. And there's lots on there that shows you how to use this. I mean, you can come over here to the features. But it's pretty cool because it's free, so you can go ahead and download this for free. I mean, it is a bit advanced looking at some of the video editing and other bits, but either way, as you've seen over here on this one channel over here, they're making some ridiculous money from this. Now, if I come on here and we just scroll through, I mean, look at this: 5 exercises to reduce chest size. Oh, it's all predominantly about losing weight, toning up, and other bits. So I want to give you another example. So burn 500 calories with this workout. Let's just go with that, for example. Or let's just go with something in the weight loss. So simple ways to lose weight at home. We'll go with this example here. And we'll scroll down. So the first one is this Brightside video here. It's had 8.6 million views Now there's nobody on here. It's literally just slideshows. This one here, again, 6 simple ways to lose a little weight. And you come down here and you can go through and look at some of these. Now in terms of these, I'm going to share with you another simple way that you could upload these videos yourself, but without you, having to go ahead and do all of the hard work. So you see this one here, 3 ways to lose weight diet, and let me show you this and how cool this is. So I'm going to click on here, and I'm very quickly going to pause this video. Now I have an extension and it's called VidIQ, and I'll drop a link to that below for you. But basically what that extension allows me to do is, you see over here where these 3 dots are, I click on there and I click on Open Transcript. Sorry, let me just pause this. So let's try that again. Open Transcript. Scroll down the page, it should have. Oh, it's here, it's uploading for me. So you see here, look, this has given me the full transcript from this video here about losing weight. So it's pretty cool. So if I wanted to create a video myself similar to this one, so let me just click on play. Your video ad made by top freelancers on Fiverr, and just skip this. So you can go ahead and have a watch of the video yourself if you want to, and see how it's being done and being put together by just clicking and going along and looking at this. Well, let me just pause this. So I've got all of the transcripts from this video here. Now there's a piece of software whereby you can simply copy and paste this into, and you can create your own video really quickly. I'll show you this inside of the software now, and again I'll drop a link to this below for you. So it's called Vidnami, and you can try this for 14 days for free. So again, I'll drop a link to that below for you. But basically in here, you can create videos really quickly, really simply. Now it's a lot more easy to follow along with than this Blenderorg. So obviously this is AI software and it's a lot more technical, but it is free. Vidnami is not free, but it's easy. So if I click on here, click on create a new video and just select a template. I'll select any one, so I'll just go with this template here. If I go back over to YouTube here, so look, I have got this text here. So all of this transcript here, and I've got the timestamps on here. So all I do here is I copy this. I wonder if I can just copy, yeah, so you see here, I can just copy all this. So if I wanted to take this transcript here, I'll go up here and copy this, I'll come over to Vidnami like so, and paste this into here. And then all I'm going to do is I'm just going to take out those timestamps there, get rid of these. Now look, if you are doing this method, you wouldn't just copy, you wouldn't just create your video using the entire transcripts like this. You'd go in and, make it into your own words. So for example, 3 ways to lose weight without having to diet. So you just go through this transcript and make some really quick edits so that it's a unique piece of content. It's not just a like for like copy and paste, but you go through, once you're happy with this, you just click on create scenes, and then basically this software here, it will create a full video for you based upon the video or the transcripts that we've imported into here. And look, you can see it imports videos into here for you. There's music, there's elements, there's lots more. You can choose video clips, you can do images, and all you do is you just go through and you make sure that you're happy with these. And once you're happy with the videos behind here, then you just move on to the next part, which is again a simple process. But if you're not happy with any of these, then you can search for videos on the left hand side here. You can click on any of these keywords that is brought out from your script here, and you click on the video, it puts it over here. And if you don't like any of these keywords over here, you can even just type in your own ones in here. So let's just go with lose weight, for example. Type that in there and click on go. It brings up more videos for you. So you go through and you can have a look and find one that you like. And once you find the one that you like on here, simply click on it and it goes over here and it's done for you. So you go through, you make sure you're happy with your video scenes, and you come down to the bottom and you click on this next part, you add voice track. Now on here you can go with no voice, you can have music, you can go with auto voice, you can even record your own voice. And again, you just click on here, record, and you just talk out what it says on here if you want to. You can even upload. But I mean, going with no music only, you can go with no music, and you can click on preview, and then you're literally up and running. And then once you've done this, you're pretty much good to go. So you create the video using the software, and then you can preview it over here, and you just press on play. So it looks pretty good, I think you'll agree. So once you're happy with all this, you click on looks good, continue, and then the final part is to go ahead and download your video. Now with this Vidnami software here, you can literally create a video from start to finish in realistically 5 or 10 minutes, if that. It's a really simple process, and a way that you can make money with this is obviously when you first start in your YouTube channel, you're not going to be making money off the bat, you know, like from ads like this channel here. You're not going to be earning this. So a way that you can monetize in the beginning is really simply going over to a platform like Clickbank or Warrior Plus or anything and finding a product related to, you know, your channel, what it's going to be about. So if this one here is going to be about, let's say, was creating a channel about losing weight, then we'd come on here, we'd go to health and fitness, and we would find a product in here that we want to, you know, market. Like, so this one here, we click on promote. It gives us a link. So look, we would earn 75% commissions for this product here. So that would be our link. I mean, we would shorten this with a link shortener, but basically inside of our YouTube video, we would have links to this product here. And you can see the average conversion of this is $126.46. So you'd have a link to that within your YouTube description. You've also got, you know, there's lots more products on here whereby you can earn money straight away. And then over time, what happens is you get more people watching your videos and you start to get more subscribers. Then you can go into the YouTube partner program and you can earn some money that way. So it's a really simple process. And look, making money on YouTube, whether you're going with, you know, creating videos around weight loss or the diet needs, whatever, basically, it isn't that hard. I think the way most people give up with YouTube is they maybe try it for a week or two, and because they don't get success, you know, right off the bat, they pretty much quit and, you know, move on to the next shiny objects. But in terms of YouTube, you can make some really good, I mean, like for lots of people, life-changing amounts of money. And this is just one niche going into the, you know, how to lose weight at home. I mean, look at this. We've got home remedies. That's another niche. You can go into, you know, the keto diet. That's another one. Lose weight without much effort. Essentially, that could be one. There's just so many different ways that you could do this. Now, in terms of these softwares that we've looked at today, you've got this one over here. You've got Blenderorg. This is free. You can go ahead and download this. You can try out Vidnami, this one over here. I'll drop a link to this below for you. I'll drop a link to the 14-day free trial. And I'll also drop a link to the lifetime deal where you can go ahead and get this. The only other thing I want to mention to you is if you want to learn about, you know, creating your content onto YouTube, which can essentially piggyback on top of other videos, and you can, you know, use multiple different methods and ways to make money, then I'll also drop a link to my YouTube passive success course. I'll drop a link to that down below. That's basically everything I know about YouTube and more, all condensed into a course. And I've only just remembered about this because today, earlier on, I'll just share this with you. Over in my Facebook group, one of my students shared one of their some results, and if I scroll down here, you can see this was Lindsay. Here are my final results for January. She earned over $1,000. So she come into my course in, I think it was like May or June time, and she went through it, she implemented it, and you can see her earnings were gradually going up. December had a little bit of a dip, but I know that she didn't upload in December, and then in January she went past $1,000, which was a goal of hers. So look, in terms of making money on YouTube, it isn't as difficult as what many people think it is. They just give up and quit too easy. But look, I'll drop links to everything below for you. Go ahead and check out. And if you want to check out my YouTube course, you'll see, you know, testimonials on there from Lindsay and, you know, other students as well. But overall, today's video, it's about creating simple and easy videos on YouTube, and then we upload them and we monetize via an affiliate product in the beginning. And then once we, you know, get into the YouTube partner program, that is whereby we would start to earn commissions every single day.